So here's my game. So it says press play to begin, and it also says that there are coins, and if you have enough you can get rare characters in the wardrobe. The coins do move. There are portals, and the portals get unlocked if you have enough points. The points get increased by eating food, and there's a chick to increase the time. So now we're going to go to wardrobe, and here we are. So I'm going to go and press the blue button, which is Dr. I Am Simple's abilities. So let's go ahead and press that. And here, as we can see, he's quite a simple character. It's sort of given away in his name. So I don't think I would play with him, but later we will show you that you actually can play with him. So I think I'm going to go ahead and press back to wardrobe to look at the other character. So I think I'm going to see the abilities of Mr. Speedy. So here we are. He is the second fastest character in the game. And as we can see, he is free and ready from the start. I would play with him. However, I will go back to the wardrobe just to show you some more aspects that this game actually does have. So I'm going to go ahead and press back to wardrobe. And here we are. So if we press this bell at the top of the screen, you can actually go back to the home screen and to the start at any point in the game. This can be used to prank friends or something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and press back to home screen, and here we are. So here we are. If we just want to play with Dr. I Am Simple, because he is the most simple character, once you press play, the game will start with him. So let's go ahead and play. So as you can see, this is the game. To make the character move, you just need to press the arrows, right and left. It's quite self-explanatory. You can just see it for yourself. And we're actually just about to pass the level. That's the portal, as it says. It says to enter level. And yeah, so I'm actually just going to skip these levels so it doesn't get too long. And I'll see you in level 5, I guess. As if by magic, we're in level 5, and I'm just going to play through this level so you can see a bit more how the game works, and I'll narrate it a bit. So, as you can see, there's the time that's been going down from 40, and they're coins that the character is getting. He is currently at 15, no, now 16 and 17. These coins will help him unlock characters, but it needs to match 45 points, so we're just reaching the 45 point mark, and there will be a portal to complete level 5, and here it is. So as you can see, I've completed the first stage of my game. There are actually going to be 2 stages and then a master level. So as you can see, you can go back to the wardrobe and pick another character to continue level 6, 7, and 8. And yes, that's pretty much it. If you press continue, you'll actually play with Dr. I Am Simple. That's just how the game works. So I'm going to show you that you can actually play with other characters. Go back like to the home screen to show. In this case, I'm just going to tap on him, which is what you would usually do if you don't want to see the abilities. So I'm right now you're just going to see what happens if you run out of time with him. So this is just a little video showing how Mr. Speedy actually works like any other character. So here we're bit quicker, running out of time very quickly. I'm obviously not going to show the whole clip, otherwise it'll take too long. It says, sorry, you've run out of time. I'm just going to go try again button to go back to the home screen. So try again. So I've gone and taken the liberty to grab 100 coins, and that's just enough to unlock one of our other characters called Dr. I Am Rainbow. So here in the wardrobe, we have unlocked a new character, Dr. I Am Rainbow. He looks pretty nice, so I'm going to go ahead and press on the blue button, his abilities. So here we are. It says he's a stylish character, and it says that most coins he grabs are worth 2. So I think I should play with him just to prove that that's actually true. Also, while we're playing with him, you'll realize that he ends up on 103 coins. That is because something to consider is that most coins he grabs are actually worth 2, not all the coins. So now I'm just going to cut a bit like before, like everyone else did. And just to prove my theory, he can actually get coins that are worth 2. So now we're at 103 instead of 101. Yep. So now let's go and look at some other characters. So I've gone and gotten 172 coins to see what other characters we can unlock. So let's go to wardrobe and see what's new. Mrs. Quick Color can be unlocked. So I think I'm going to press the blue button that says her abilities. She is the second quickest character in the game, alongside Mr. Speedy, but she has an unchallenged sense of style, and she can catch coins easier because she has a dress. So, I think I'm going to play with her. Obviously, like last time, I'm not going to go all the way through to the end, otherwise that would take way too long. All I'm going to do is cut to the stage 2 start screen and see what we can do there. I've just completed the first stage of my scratch game, and let's go ahead to wardrobe to see what I can play with and their abilities. So as you can see, Mr. Stickman is available, so let's press the blue button to see his abilities. Mr. Stickman likes to call himself a man, but he's actually just a stick creature. But despite that, he's actually the quickest character in the game, but you have to complete stage 1 to unlock him. But I still think that's pretty good. I would play with him, but before that, let me show you what this bell does this time round. The bell actually brings you back to the checkpoint, not all the way to the start. So if I press it, we're back to the stage 2 start screen. So here we can see that we are playing level 6 with Dr. I Am Simple. This is the start of stage 2. There are 3 levels to it. I'm obviously not going to show the other 2, otherwise that would take too long. This is just to see how all the characters are actually coping with the levels and that there are actually no glitches. So as you can see, this is Mr. Speedy playing level 6. He eats the food like everyone else and he's coping just fine. We could obviously press the bell if we wanted to go back to the checkpoint, but we're not going to do that. And yeah, on to the next character. So here we are in level 6 with Mrs. Quick Color. She's the same speed as Mr. Speedy, and she's doing just fine. Moving right to left, no glitches. So I think it's time to see how Mr. Stickman's doing. So here you have Mr. Stickman. He's the quickest character in the game. You can sort of see the comparison between all of them. He's very quick, and as you can see, there are no glitches. He's working just fine. So to finish off, I'll show you how Dr. I Am Rainbow's doing. Here's Dr. I Am Rainbow, eating the food like anybody else, having fun, and yeah, it's just fine. So we've done this. Now I'll see you in the stage 3 start screen. So here we are at the master level start screen. We have completed 2 stages and we're at the last one. It says that we have 60 seconds to gain 70 points, and once we complete it we are going to get something we could love. So I'll go ahead and start, and here we are. This master level took ages to design, and it's just like any other level, but you've got to gain many more points. So something good about this is that you can actually catch fruit in midair, so sometimes you don't see yourself catching it. So here we are. There's the banana. We're gaining points well, and it also shows us which portal we're going to use to complete this game, essentially. So when that portal comes up, or when we get 70 points, we have to go through that portal. And let's see what our prize is. So just trying to find our food. There we are. And let's go through the portal. We've completed the game. But now we need to press the button for our prize. This is a prize that anyone wants. Mr. Gale! And this is my game.